of January, day 16. My brother was talking about how we're out of lemon curd today before he went to work. So I thought I would make some. I used the Bobette and Bell recipe book. Again, I adapted it from their Mile High lemon pie recipe. Combine a cup of milk, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 zested lemon, and 250 milliliters or 1 cup of sugar. Heat and whisk constantly and put the stove on medium-high. Slowly pour in 125 milliliters or half a cup of strained fresh lemon juice and whisk constantly for 10 minutes until the curd falls back into a bowl like a ribbon. When it's ready, add 125 milliliters or half a cup of vegan butter. Now cut it into small pieces and put it into the pan. After the butter is done melting, pass it through a fine mesh sieve into a reused jam jar. You can do anything with this curd. You can use it in a pie or cakes. You can put it on top of toast, which is what I'm going to be doing. Or pancakes even, or scones, or vanilla ice cream, or anything. Or just take a jar of it for your aunt for her birthday. Alright, let's try it. That's so good. That's amazing. It's yummy. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.